Deep in a cave, an AI caveman lay snoring on his stone bed. Sunlight hit his face. He jolted awake and growled, "Ugh! Sun already high! Me late again." He stumbled outside, just in time to see a rooster clucking loudly. Screamy chicken, wake up everyone, every morning." Suddenly, he had an idea. Caveman genius. Me make first alarm using chicken. He dove into bushes, chasing the bird. "Come here, scream beast!" Bonk! He slammed into a tree. Ow! After a messy chase, he finally caught the rooster and tied it to a big rock near his cave. "You scream here. At sunrise, no escape." Then he drew a sun symbol on the rock. "When fireball in sky reach here, you make noise." That night, he went to sleep proudly. "Tomorrow, caveman, wake early. Thanks, scream chicken." But at midnight, cock-a-doodle-doo! "Wah! It dark! No sun! You broken!" In the morning, he scratched his head. "Maybe chicken need reboot, or me need new chicken." He picked up the rooster, turned to the audience and smiled.
Smash a subscribe, or me smash rock.